Welcome to Cyber Update's Second Look Sunday, where we revisit major cyber stories from the past year. Today, we're diving into the digital ocean of TikTok, a platform loved by many for its catchy dances and creative content. But as its popularity soared, so did concerns about its data privacy. Data galore, from your device details to even, surprisingly, your biometric data, TikTok collects it. Excessive collection, experts suggest TikTok might be a tad more curious than its competitors, collecting more data than giants like Facebook or Twitter. Chinese ownership, global concerns, its parent company, ByteDance from China, has raised eyebrows. Could TikTok be a window for the Chinese government to peek into our lives? Data handling missteps, reports hint at TikTok employees in China accessing non-public US user data. A worrisome sign for any international user. UK's fine line, and let's not forget the UK's hefty fine for mishandling children's data. On the flip side, TikTok stands firm, denying these allegations and emphasizing their commitment to user privacy. The big question, is the joy of that viral dance worth a potential data compromise? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. What's important is being informed and making choices that align with your comfort level. If this deep dive gave you a new perspective, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And if you think this is worth sharing, hit that share button. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for tuning into Second Look Sunday. Stay safe, stay informed,